Hello guys, let's take a look at this Ring doorbell anti-theft door mount. Okay, I got it on Amazon. It's pretty easy to use. As you can see, it comes with all the accessories. So basically, you're going to use this one to put your Ring doorbell. You're going to close it up and use this to put on your door. Depending on the orientation, you mount in a different way, okay? So it comes with everything here, the screwdriver, and also here the screws and accessories, right? So let me just show you how it works. So basically, you get this one and you put your Ring doorbell just right here. Okay, that's the way to go. So you have your Ring doorbell like this, okay, with this anti-theft device. And you close it here. Of course, you're gonna open the same way you're gonna close it, right? It's just put in here at the top and you snap it in place, right? And then you secure it with a screw, just like so. There we go. Then people can't open this one, right? And you can also use this pad here on the here to keep the camera safe in place. Let me just show you here. It would be better to use this one. Okay, let me just open it again. So that's the way you open. Pretty easy as well. Just lift here the way. Just put like say one of this here, second one, and a third one. Okay, so it will be better that way. Put it back here and snap it in place again. There we go. Close it. Okay, now it's better. It's pretty steady here, safe. And then you have your camera that way. Then just come here and you choose a side. Let's say this side or this side, depending on your door. This way here. Use your screws to secure in place. There are 4 of them. Of course, you're gonna put 4 of them here, and then you're gonna put this on your door. Okay, so it will be that way on your door, and you're good to go with your Ring camera. So it's pretty easy to use this one. So it's a Ring doorbell anti-theft door mount, which comes with the installation guide, all the accessories, and also here you have this option to use the Blink video doorbell as well. Okay, one last thing here, let me just show you that you're gonna use this one that way. You're gonna put it here and use this device here like so, and your door will be just right here. Okay, so pretty easy to use that way. And there we have it, your Ring doorbell anti-theft door mount. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.